Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to cook some snapper, some Brussels sprouts, and some rice. If you're interested in learning how I made this meal, stay tuned and let's get into it. So first we are washing our fish, of course, with some lime and cold water. And once your fish is nice and clean, you're gonna go ahead and season with this complete seasoning that I used. I also put in some garlic powder, some ground paprika, black pepper, and then I just massaged it all into the snapper, as you can see here. So I have a pot of rice going, and I'm just gonna add about half of a bouillon cube, and this is gonna give your rice so much flavor. So I'm just gonna stir that in and wait until that dissolves and comes up to a boil. So while the rice is boiling, I'm cutting up my vegetables. I have some onions and some lime. And then I also cut some Brussels sprouts in half and took off the bottom. So now I'm just going to fry up some bacon. Once I'm done frying the bacon, I'm just going to cook the snapper, and I'm going to put the skin side down first. And I have 4 fillets, so I'm just going to put them in here all together. I'm cooking my snapper on medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. So it's been about 6 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip the snapper over and let it cook for another 6 minutes on the other side. So the rice looks good. I'm just going to take a fork and fluff out the rice. So now that it's all done, I'm gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna start cooking our Brussels sprouts. So I just put the pan on about medium high with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. So you're just gonna wanna cook this until all of your Brussels sprouts are nice and brown. And this is the color you're going to be looking for, something like this. So I added some lemon juice and salt and pepper, and then I'm also gonna add in the bacon and the onions that we cooked earlier. This was my first time actually making this, and I will be buying Brussels sprouts more often because this was so good. My dinner is done. I have my snapper here, my rice with the onions, and I have the Brussels sprouts, and it was so good. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.